Hey guys, I'm in my room trying to put my face on. I haven't put no mascara and I haven't plucked my eyebrows because I'm lazy. And I'm trying to hold this thing up. Hold on. What can I put there? I really need to invest in a tripod. I have a little one, but my room's still in chaos. I get close to getting there with my room, and then it just goes right back into chaos. Fixing my hair, I'm trying to, and I thought I'd better pop in here because I'm working on my Sunday vlog, and honestly, I don't know how I feel about continuing those things. I don't know how I feel about continuing doing Sunday vlogs. I don't know. I'll put maybe a little thing on YouTube asking you guys to vote. Should I continue to do Sunday vlogs or just stay with my shopping videos, hauls, and random DIYs? Or that one. And then I want to do another one asking for a vote if you guys want me to do Vlogmas. I don't know if I can because of the emotional thing. And that's the whole reason. Let me get back to why I'm popping in here. I'm working on Sunday's vlog. So obviously I'm going to put this little clip in the front, in the beginning of my vlog. I'm trying to hurry because Gigi's barking. She's ready to go for a walk, so I got to hurry. I don't know if you can hear her in the background. She's giving that demanding bark, like, let's go now. Anyway, that vlog is a very emotional vlog. We've had a very emotional year. But then the anniversary of my niece was coming up, of her passing. The anniversary of her passing is coming up. Plus, if you follow me at all, you know that we also lost a nephew who's very young in October, just last month. So, I mean, this family, we're going through a lot of emotional stuff. So, like I said, I don't know how I feel about doing Vlogmas, if I even can. I didn't do Vlogtober for that reason. But I'm still going to do the little voting thing on there. You know how YouTube has where you can type in a question and have people click on a yay or nay or whatever. So the clips that you're about to see, I'm going to put in 2 different days. I had to cut some others. I've been a crybaby, you guys. I'm sorry. I'm going to put some of it in there. Be aware. I'm going to go ahead and click right here on this silver thing, which happens to be my ring light, my makeup ring light stand. That's what you're looking at right here. But I'll put right here the minutes where you can fast forward past the crying vlogs, the crying clips, because I did get emotional. If I do decide to put those clips in here, that's where you're going to see, where you can fast forward past it if you want to. We'll see. I hope y'all are having a wonderful weekend and week before Thanksgiving. Oh my God. Time's just flying by. Good morning, you guys. I just got back from taking my grandson to high school. My hair's tucked inside. We had a long rain last night and hail. California's being hit with a pretty good storm. I love it. And the electricity was flickering on and off. So I pulled out all of my little oil lamps, candles. Not all of them, but I got the oil lamps ready, and I got a couple of candles handy, and I pulled out 2 of my solar generators and getting ready to, plug in the nighttime lamp and the solar generators just so that we could see. Every day when I come back, it's going to sound silly, but when I pass the fast strip, I always think of my niece. I always think of her because I didn't think I would start crying. I'm sorry, you guys. I was crying on the way. I mean, I even call out her name sometimes. Anyway, try not to cry. She's a single mom. She's young and beautiful. And she would stop at the fast strip every morning, her and her little boy, before she would drop him off at school. And they would, get a banana or whatever snacks for the morning. She was always in a hurry. Anyway, that story reminds me of her because I was always running into her at that store. Buggy. Good morning. It's foggy out here today. I've been crying. Trying to stop. I get this one. Oh, so good. Good morning. It's very foggy outside. I probably showed you that clip already. This weekend is a pretty hard weekend for us. It marks the 1-year anniversary that my very young niece passed away. And it's also the same heavenly anniversary that my dad passed away. So I've been crying all morning. I mean, I cry all the time for her. I miss her a lot. Good morning, you guys. Morning again. I don't know where I left off. It's not that foggy. And I'm just coming out to pull the car out. I'm not making sense because I haven't had my coffee yet. I wait till the last minute to jump out of bed, wash my face, brush my teeth. Mom has a doctor's appointment this morning for labs. It's not really an appointment. Just to be there by 11, but we're going to go early because she can't eat till she has those labs done, and Mom likes to eat first thing in the morning. So when I come back from dropping off my grandson at school, I'm going to put some street clothes on. I just have sweats and then my jacket and my pajama top. It's just too early for me to get dressed, or I'm just too lazy. That's the sky right now. You can see some chemtrails there. Always fresh chemtrails in the sky. But I always try to look past that to see the beauty of the sky, but it's just like, you really can't. Chemtrails are always there. It's prettier I'm facing west right now. It's prettier. We'll see how I feel. I know Mom wants to go get breakfast, but I think I want to, here comes a car. I think I want to go film something for tomorrow. Why? You already had it.
And I saw it. So I'm going to call her.
I have what? We got this. Okay. Come on. Come on. Oh, and that's pretty too. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, Dave.
Hairdo.
Oh.
Okay, how to plug you in. Let me tell you where we're going. I watched this video about cat litter because I spent a ton of money on it. I've had issues with it. I've bought expensive, I'll put up here what kind of cat boxes, cat litter, and cat pads that I buy. You know, I'm forever fighting that stinky cat litter and just trying to make it clean and pleasant for everybody involved. especially kitties, you know, because they're right up in it. But I saw this video where, in fact, I'll link her video down below if you guys have cats. I'm going to go and buy, I'm looking for a 40-pound bag of pine pellets meant for horse bedding. And it's like $5 for a 40-pound bag, which, you know, I can't beat that. I spend a lot of money on cat litter, on cat pooping. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go to a Tractor Supply store, and I'm going to take you guys with me. I'm on the hunt for pine needles, pine pellets, pine pellets. And that's meant for horse bedding.
You have all the tender sweetness of a seasick.
What do we have go eat over here, Pastor?
Those pretty.
How much are they?
Almost $30.
Oh my God.
Roses are expensive. Look at that.
These are cute.
I couldn't find the Tractor Supply store. But I stopped at Lowe's, and these are it. This is what I want. Kitty litter. $5.50 per bag. You know, I can buy, according to that lady that I watched, video that I watched, that lady has 3 cats too, just like me. She says that she spends about $20 a year just buying kitty litter, because she does it this way. And it doesn't smell. And it's $20 a year. So that's this one, but I want the pine one. What I do is, they sure do. I need a plant. I have 2 small ones that I need to also plant. Look at those right there, Mom. Those are the ones we...
This one?
These, no, these, that is pretty. This right here. These are the nopales that we eat. That's okay. I like those barrel things, but they're like $34. I had some bags that were torn. I got a huge one for $2. $2. Wait, yeah, $2. This one was $3, which is a more expensive kind. This was more expensive, and then I got that $5 holder. So, $13 worth of pine kitty litter that, according to that video, is supposed to last a year.
Oh, good.
We shall see. So, the pumpkin pies have 2 sizes. Dutch apple, $4.99. Cake. Those. It says, I think it says we could only get 3. I think it says we could only get 3. Got the jicama, papaya, oranges, grapefruit. These are organic navel. You guys, we are in Aldi, and we're picking up some last minute things that we didn't get for Thanksgiving. Holiday whipping. There's pumpkin spice whip. Oh, and then we have this one, and then they have the coconut. I've tried that before, and that is good. What is this, you guys? Organic premium. Lots of juice. Sour cream. I love looking in here And here, oh look, $20. Look at these, Mom. It's the kind that you spin. Okay. You guys, I'm just scanning over. I like that. That is cute. And then they have that back there too. How adorable. What is that? Oh, that's a pineapple. That is so cute. So those are $24.99. Whoopsie. Whoops. There's the elephant. I think these are broke. That's why they got them back there. Look at that. It's a My Friend Gnome kit. It has a gnome doll, a storybook, 24 scenes and props. How cute. Some baby dolls, Baby Alive. I wonder if these dolls are going to wake up and scare me as soon as I turn my back on them. Oh, what are these? Oh, they're books. Disney Storytime books. Let's see what this is. Oh, little scooters. They're 17. Oh, those are cute. These are playmats, I think. Yeah, character game rugs. Oh, they're bugs. They still have the turkeys. Let's go check the prices. Prices went up. They're $1.49 for that. Oh, for that one. For the ham. Let me see. They took the prices off. Oh. See, I paid 89 cents a pound. The butterball. I'm in line, you guys. In line. I'm over here on this side. I started over here. So we got a few things. Baking stuff. And I need to get a couple more cans of the pumpkin pie stuff, but it's up there. I'm going to pass it as my line keeps moving forward towards the front. Right there, but you got something still on it. Cool.
Perfect.
That's a lot.
Cool. Okay.
Okay.
It's time. No, I just said I saw the cord going.